Hello to everyone. Today I would like to unbox with you this Bluelab pH pen so we can check what is inside together. So it's look like this. We can check the package so we can see here easy to use, accurate and reliable, and built for growers. And as you can see, if you buy this Bluelab pH pen, you has also 1 year limited warranty. So what you can do with this I will share with you in the next video. Here you can see also the next information, and it means the specification, so we can see the range from 0.0 to 14.0. Our resolution is 0.1 and accuracy at 25 Celsius or 77 Fahrenheit is plus minus 0.1. Of course, range is from 0 to 50 and 42 to 122 Fahrenheit. Resolution 1.1 and accuracy. Operating environment, some information too. So let's start to open it together. So you can see just here is possible to open it like this and open this. Here we can see some unlock your plants full potential, and again some information in English. Next we have here some instruction. So before first use, what we have to do, so I can make the next video what we can have to use if we want to use this. So we will make together calibration, and this calibration is in 4 easy steps. So you can see these steps here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if you want to see the video of the calibration, you can see also this QR code and the operation. So you have also some information how to operate with this equipment. So let's open it together. I don't know, like this. Okay, I have it outside, so it's look like this. It's really very nice pen with this for the hand. Or also some information on the back. We can try to open it. Okay, you can see here some diodes, and here's some place for the water. When I start on off, you can see some value here, 6.7.0 and 23 Celsius. Okay, and if you want to turn off, just keep it off. Okay, so thank you for the video, for the watching. In next video I will show you how to make a calibration of this pen. Thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.